Hello friends, welcome once again to Esomnofu Online Maths. In this video, we shall solve this simple problem before us. Do not forget that this lesson is proudly powered by your lesson app. So this is just a triangle and we are required to find the value of n. We are looking for the value of n. Whenever you see these marks here on these two sides, it shows that the two sides are equal. And in any triangle where the two sides are equal, automatically you should know that the triangle is an isosceles triangle, because an isosceles triangle is a special type of triangle where the two sides and the base angles are equal. All right. Now, so if these two sides and these sides are equal, automatically the angle here and the angle here should be equal to each other. How do you know the equal angles? Supposing you have your triangle like this and these two sides are marked. Draw this side and draw this side. They are falling at the same base, so these angles and this angle should be equal. Now, supposing they remove this mark and put the mark here. Draw this line on the mark, draw this line on the mark. They are going on the same base, so these two angles becomes equal. All right? If they remove this particular mark here and draw it here, saying that this side and this side are equal. Draw it to the base, draw to the base, this angle and this angle are equal. That is how you know the base angle. The same thing is what I've done here. I've drawn to the base and I've drawn to the base. So this angle and this angle are equal. So if here is angle n, automatically here should be angle n, because base angles of isosceles triangle are equal. But remember that this is an angle on a straight line. And the angle on a straight line is always equal to 180 degrees, right? So I don't know what is here. So let me call it x, for instance. The sum of these two angles should be equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, x should be equal to 180 degrees minus 144 degrees. Reason is that they are sum of angles on a straight line. That's just the reason. Sum of angles on a straight line. So if you take away 144 from 180 degrees, you'll be having about 36 degrees. That's the value of x. But we are not looking for x, we are looking for n. So I can clean off this x and write 36 degrees. Now this is a triangle, and the sum of the angles in a triangle will give us 180 degrees, okay? So I am not wrong if I write that n plus 36 degrees equal to 180 degrees, raising sum of angles on a straight line. That's the reason. N plus n is 2n plus 36 degrees equal to 180 degrees. So 2n is equal to 180 degrees minus 36 degrees. And 180 degrees minus 36 degrees is 144 degrees. So to get the value of n, you divide both sides by 2. This will cancel out. You see that n is equal to 72 degrees. This is just the value of n. But I just wasted time. I just wasted your time. The answer is correct, but I wasted a lot of time. There are smart ways of solving math problems to get your answer, and you get the full mark, even if it is in theory exam. There is one theorem about this triangle, the interior and exterior angle of a triangle, that tells us that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. This angle n and n are interior opposite angle to this angle here, because both of them are facing it. Therefore, n plus n is equal to 144 degrees. Take note, any exterior angle must be equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So you can write it. N plus n, look, let's write interior opposite, okay, two interior opposite angles sums to give the exterior angle. So the best thing to write here is that The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. And n plus n is 2n, being equal to 144. Divide by 2. Once you do that, n is still 72 degrees. That is what I got here to tell you that they are both correct. But this one is taking a lot of time, and this is the shortest method to do that. Do not forget that this lesson is proudly powered by your lesson app. Thank you for viewing, and may God bless you. Bye-bye.